Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today is another sketchbook doodle video where I'm going to draw things across the page. Today you're going to see how I draw things from the scratch, like from the blank page. So let's get started. So today's plan is I am going to draw my OC Toshio. It's been a while since I've drawn him, so I don't know if I remember him very well. Last time I draw him, it was a chibi version, a digital art. He was on a moon probably in galaxy. On today's spread, I'm going to do both chibi and non-chibi versions. For the guys and people who don't know about Toshio, basically he's a Japanese boy, 23 years old. He is poet by his profession. He wears a pink color turtleneck with a beige overcoat. He have blue hairs and he wear glasses. Those are not prescription glasses, just for fashion. So you might see him without glasses sometimes as well. Of course, he loves flowers and butterflies. So for the sketching portion, I'm using my regular mechanical pencil, just a simple one, and some eraser. Let's see, I'm not sure about what the material that I'm going to use while I'm sketching it out. Let me finish the whole spread and we'll see. Usually drawing the whole spread takes a lot of time. I already fast forwarded the whole thing like 4 times and it's still ridiculously long, and I'm apologizing for that because the video is pretty long already, so I had to do the time-lapse version. In the first, I thought that I would do a regular real-time version, but it's going to be way too long. So I'm starting off the sketch with the top corner. I'm giving him that flirty kind of expression with one eyebrows up. Firstly, I did like a big green, but I don't think that didn't turn out very well. So I just did that again and give it a simple smile. Okay, so here I forgot to do the turtleneck boundary, so some of you might think that he's wearing a wide neck shirt, but I fixed that later because it took me a while to realize that I didn't do that very well. Fixing his glasses because that was way too strokes there. Doing the details in the eyes. Giving him a little bit of life. Now let me extend this part and we will move on to the next work. Next I am doing a chibi version of him on the bottom of the first sketch. You guys might be already familiar with my style of chibi. I do like huge bobbly eyes and like chubby cheeks and round of things. Everything is round in my chibi style. So let's do that. For his chibi, I decided to do like a spreaded arms kind of a posture that usually you see in Jack posture kind of in Titanic, if that makes sense. That I'm drawing his full body. He's spreading both of his arms on the both sides. Let me give you like a view from a little far away so you can see the whole spread all at once. If you saw some of my previous videos, you might have seen that I tried different lightings in different angles to see which one is working out and which one is not. This is something new and I hope this gives you guys a much better view than the previous ones. So let me know which one you prefer so it can help me out to do better videos in future. Honestly, I'm running out of the video ideas, apart from sketch with me, draw with me kind of thing. So if you have anything in mind, do let me know in the comments. I would like to make a video on that as well. Now as you can see, I'm doing the huge glasses for the chibis. I think it is very cute when chibis wear glasses. I did with some of my idol chibi arts before. I think they look very cute, especially when you add the glasses. Now I'm drawing a tiny notebook of him because of course he's a poet. There should be a notebook for him. And now let's do his smile, cleaning up the pages, and we will start with the next one. Alright, moving on to the third doodle. I'm doing a smiley face. Actually, I'm thinking of doing a smiley face. Let's see. Starting from the eyes. I know there are some artists out there who like to do like border out the face first. For me, I like to start with the eyes. And here is a tip I heard about but never tried actually. They say when you start with the nose, the face becomes more easier to place out the eyes and where the lips and mouths are going to be. But I start with eyes. I'm doing this since I started doing my art. I think that helps me out better. So I'm now doing the replacing the nose. Why am I stuttering? Oh my goodness. And now the chin. For this particular piece, I think the eyes become a little bit wider, and it could have been turned better if the eyes were a little closer, but I don't mind though. It came really cute. Like, I think I did well in that case. So doing his shirts and necks. Doing his glasses, doing his glasses, not her. Now for the fourth doodle, also I'm doing like a very happy, excited, this smiley face, another one, but this one smile is a little bit wider. Let's start with his eyes. After doing his nose, I'm going to do the hair because this is the signature hairstyle that he have. Half parted bangs. Then I'm going to do the glasses to get his look back. Now a big smile. You guys already probably seen the whole spread or how it turned out from the thumbnail already. Like, there is no surprise left. But anyways, for this one, I'm thinking of giving him a hat. That, black round hat that you also see so many idols wears. I really like that kind of hat and I'm thinking of giving him one. Also, I hope this time my voice is pretty clearer than the before one, because once I replayed my old video, I realized the sound quality was not very well. The background music was a little bit of louder, so you cannot hear me saying properly. So I hope the issue is solved in this video. I really hope so. And let me know what you guys think about this one. Do you guys enjoy watching this kind of video or you want something else? In every spread there is a warm-up piece. Now you might ask, what is a warm-up piece? Like, there is a piece where I do the trials for colors and different kind of mediums, so I can prevent ruining my original sketches. So here on the top there is a blank space where I decided to do like a trial chibi kind of thing, so I can test out my colors and everything here. Sorry little one, I have to use you like a guinea pig. I'm so sorry. Now my sketch portion is done. Let's do the line art. Done. Only if life was that easy. So let me quickly show you the colors that I'm using. These are some markers and I'll start from the top one. These are some just random fine tip markers and some color pencils that I found that I have. I'm going to try it out on him. I think the skin color came out really well, so I'm going to use the rest of the sketches, doing the blushes and trying out the markers. I just tried to see if it comes patchy or anything. I think it did pretty well. Usually coloring takes twice more time than total sketching and planning. Don't you guys think? Now let's move on to other sketches. This is more of a skin, like very pale peach kind of a shade, and I think that is really good for the skin. I usually, when I'm using markers, I don't color the entire skin. I only do the darker parts if I'm drawing a pale skin, but in case of like medium or darker skin tones, I draw it totally. Let's do his hair. I'm leaving the white shiny part in the between, and I'm going to edit that later. Doing his blushes. Now I'm doing his pink turtleneck. This marker in this color became a little bit of patchy. You can see the streaks here that the marker is causing. Then I'm making his beige overcoat. Firstly, I decided not to do the whole thing. I'm just leaving out the borders. But then I did the whole part. And also I did the hat thing. It was just a black filling colors, so I did that off camera. And now I'm going to do the chibi part. For the chibi, I'm starting off with the skin, then I'm doing the beige overcoat. For this one, I'm going to completely give it that pencil crayon kind of a look rather than filling it up. Now using the same blue pencil crayon, I'm also doing his hair. A little bit of white to show how the hair shiny, and I'm going to add a little bit of details with darker blue colors. These are all the same pencil crayon that I'm using. Now quickly doing his pink sweatshirt. No, I'm sorry, it's not a sweatshirt, it's a turtleneck. And adding some details. Now I'm coloring rest of the arts. So let's start with this one, doing the skin, and also at one go I'm doing the other one skin as well. Quickly adding the blushes. Probably the blushes have been a little bit darker if I used watercolor, but since it's pencil ground, they're going to be light and less pigmented. Now doing the hairs. I think the last one, that one with a hat, it turned out pretty well. Let's see how the others turns out. Let's complete this hair first. And we're gonna do the other one's hair as well at one go. Since the video is becoming extremely long, so I decided to do the rest of the dresses, like these two, and off camera. So here is the final look. I think the spread come out really colorful and nice. Here is some close-up for you guys to see. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends and families. and see you in my next video. Bye.